Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to set FPS limit in VSync. To set an FPS limit, simply tap Escape or the corresponding key on your controller and open the settings. In settings, go into the display section. Here, as you can see, by the default, FPS limit is grayed out and you cannot change it. That's because it is disabled while VSync is enabled. You need to disable the VSync, and now you can change between 30, 60, 120 and an unrestricted amount of frames per second. And, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.